We'll guide you through how to master DaVinci color grading using the latest tools and features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure your project is set up with the footage you want to grade. Go to the color page where all the magic happens. You'll see the color wheels panel on the left. This is where you can adjust the lift, gamma, gain, and offset to control the shadows, midtones, and highlights. Start by balancing your image using the primary color wheels. If your footage looks too warm or cool, adjust the temperature slider for a more neutral look. Next, use the Curves tool, which is perfect for fine-tuning and adding contrast. For more advanced grading, head to the Nodes panel. Think of nodes as layers that allow you to apply different effects separately. Add a serial node to create a new grade layer. This is great for isolating certain adjustments without affecting the entire image. You can also add a parallel node if you want to apply changes to multiple areas at once. If you're working with skin tones, the QA tool is your best friend. Use it to select specific color ranges, like skin, and adjust them independently of the rest of the image. This is especially useful for creating professional-looking portraits. Don't forget to check your scopes, like the waveform and vector scope, to ensure your colors are balanced and within broadcast-safe limits. Finally, once you're happy with your grade, you can save your look as a LUT to use on other clips or projects, ensuring consistency across your work. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering color grading in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.